Today, me and Nixie are gonna take a field trip to the vet. She threw up yesterday morning. Ever since then, she hasn't stopped shaking her head like this. So I'm worried. I don't know what's going on. We're gonna take her in to see what's happening. I fixed up the cage and made it good for her to travel in. Okay, here we go. She hates being in the car, and I have her in the cage. First time in the car. We are here. This is Bird Services in Grandview, Missouri. Get her out of the car. He's like, get me out of here. This was not a fun visit for Nixx. She got a swab to test her saliva and her blood drawn. She's so tired after being looked at. Let's go to the rescue. Good, look at John. He's so cute. He talks a lot. Dylan's a red crown animal. Mateo, look at how cute he is. Hi. Mateo. Let's look at Mama. Next to Lola. I'm making this one dance. Hello. I found out her name. Her name is Katie. And she's a blue-throat macaw. I had so much fun with Katie back there. I found out that she was not up for adoption. That's why she didn't have her name on her cage. She's just being boarded there for a few months. But all the other birds shown are up for adoption. The girl's ready to go. I spent too long in the rescue. So the little girl is tired after that vet visit. She got some blood drawn, and they're gonna get back to me when they find out the results, because nothing was in the fecal or in the saliva. So she's sending me home with antibiotics to give to all three of the birds in their water, and we're just gonna find out maybe in a few days what the blood work says.